In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Confluence. This is a useful skill that ensures your Confluence experience is more tailored to your linguistic needs. Let's begin at your Confluence homepage. This is where most of our journey will start, as it's your central hub for navigating all things Confluence. Look towards the top right corner, where you'll find your profile icon. This simple yet powerful feature serves as your gateway to personal settings and customization options. Click on your profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, we're going to zero in on the Account Settings option. Clicking on this will open up a world of possibilities for personalizing your account. Account settings are designed to give you greater control over how you interact with Confluence, allowing you to streamline your experience. Once you're in your account settings, you'll see another option labeled Account Preferences. This is where you can dive deeper into the personal aspects of your Confluence account, including our goal for today, the language settings. Click on Account Preferences to move forward. Now, you're in the right place to make your desired changes. We'll focus on the language section. Specifically, we're looking for the language drop-down menu. Clicking on this will present you with a list of various languages, giving you the freedom to choose the one that best suits you, or perhaps the language that enhances your productivity the most. Take a moment to scroll through the drop-down menu to see the wide array of languages available. Once you've found your preferred language, select it. This step might seem simple, but it personalizes your Confluence experience, making it feel more like your own workspace, tailored to your preferences. And with that, you're done. The changes are instantaneous, and you should now see Confluence displayed in your chosen language. This adjustment not only enhances your comfort, but also contributes to a better understanding and navigation of the platform. Switching the language could also mean connecting more easily with teammates who might prefer or require different languages, promoting a more inclusive and accessible work environment. Remember, these settings can always be modified in the future, should your preferences change, or if you need to switch back for a broader company initiative. Thank you for following along with this guide on changing language settings in Confluence. Whether this was your first time making these adjustments or a reminder of how easy customization can be, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more insights and guides on maximizing your productivity on various platforms.